Welcome to Miguel Cars. Today we're looking at the external view of a Lexus GS 350, and as usual we're going to go over the car to see if there are any visible issues we can see on this car. I'd like to say it's looking like a pretty clean car. We're going to walk around and take a look. See the car, the sunroof. Come down to the driver's side. Look inside. Look at the tires. Look at the body of the car. Have a look at the rear view mirror. Looks intact. Come to the rear wheel. Look at the tires, yeah. As we go around the car to the back of the car, have a look at the windscreen. And the rear of the car. Here we are going around the side. And this is the front passenger and the seat behind that. And as you can see, this car pretty much looks like it's in good shape. We will, however, later have a video of the external view of the car. And we hope that this video has helped you in making your decision whether you want to come over and pick up this car. Thank you.